Scratch is a visual programming language that enables beginners to create their own interactive stories, games, and animations. It is designed to be an easy and fun way to learn the principles of coding. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to go from a total beginner to a Scratch professional. Step 1. Getting started with Scratch. Begin by visiting the Scratch website and creating an account. This allows you to save projects. Once you're logged in, click on Create to open the Scratch editor. There are three main areas: the stage, where your project plays out, the blocks palette, which contains the coding blocks, and the script area, where you drag and combine blocks to create your code. Step 2. Learning the basics. Start with a simple project to understand the basic concepts. Create a new sprite, which is an object in your project that performs actions. Explore the different categories of blocks such as motion, looks, sound, events, and control. Practice by making your sprite move, change color, and respond to clicks. Step 3. Creating animations. Learn how to create animations by using the looks and control blocks. Use the next costume block to make your sprite appear animated. Control the flow of your animation with the wait block and loops. Experiment with creating a short story or simple game with your animated sprite. Step 4. Adding sound and interactivity. Enhance your project by adding sound effects and background music. Use the sound blocks to play sounds and add interaction with events blocks, such as when this sprite clicked or when space key pressed. This will make your project more engaging for users. Understanding variables and loops are essential for keeping track of information in your projects. Create variables to store scores in games or to make characters remember things. Use the data blocks to create and manipulate these variables. Combine variables with loops to create more complex behaviors. Challenge yourself with more advanced projects. Try creating a game with multiple levels, a story with branching paths, or an interactive quiz. Explore the Scratch community for inspiration and share your projects for feedback. Step 7. Troubleshooting and debugging. As you work on more complex projects, you'll encounter bugs. Learn to troubleshoot by using the Say block to make sprites display messages, which can help you understand what's going wrong. Break your code into smaller parts to isolate the issue. Step 8. Joining the Scratch community. Scratch has a vibrant community of users from all over the world. Join the community to share your projects, give feedback, and collaborate with others. Participating in the community can provide inspiration and new ideas for your projects. Step 9. Continuous learning and improvement. Programming is a skill that improves with practice. Keep experimenting with Scratch, learning new techniques, and challenging yourself with more complex projects. As you become more proficient, consider exploring other programming languages and platforms. Following these steps will help you transition from a Scratch beginner to a professional, capable of creating intricate and interactive projects. Happy coding!